everyone, welcome to a special Christmas Cooking with Clara! Today we're going to be making snowman sugar cookies. Here are the ingredients we're using today. Flour, sugar, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, salt, butter, eggs, sour cream, vanilla, and almond extract. In a large bowl, we're going to be combining flour and cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now we're going to mix it all together. Next, we're going to add the butter in our mixer and cream it. Plunky, plunky. Start it slow and then make it a little faster. Now we slowly put the sugar in. Now we're going to crack our egg. Now we're going to turn on the mixer and add one egg at a time. Lucky. Now we're going to add in our sour cream. Now we're going to add in our vanilla and almond extract. Oh yeah! Time for this gizmo! Now we are going to slowly add our flour. Low. Like this. Okay, don't overmix. Now we're going to split them into two piles, ceramic them, and then put them in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Lloyd, I said Lloyd. Thank you, Mother. Daughter. While we're waiting for our donut chill, let's make our icing. We are going to need icing sugar, butter, shortening, vanilla, and milk. We are going to cream together our butter and our shortening. It's so slow. And now we are going to put shortening. Now we are going to start mixing. Looks like yellow and white cheese. Put your mixer on the slowest setting and add your icing sugar. I did not mean to do that. Now we are going to turn up the speed a little bit and add the vanilla. Now we are going to add our milk a little bit at a time till it's the right consistency. Now I'm going to get Mommy to help me roll out the dough. Ooh, now it can get messy.
Oh, now it's the messy part.
Push it down. I like this. I actually like it. Okay. Get through that one. Now we're going to take some large marshmallows and cut them diagonally. And then we get 2 pieces. This is my big brother, Brian Craig. He's gonna help me decorate. Hi. So first, you need to get some white frosting.
And then you have to spread it around.
It doesn't have to be perfect because you're making a melted snowman. So now I'm going to get a marshmallow, and then you need to push it on a good spot, and then you grab a black frosting, and then use the black for the eyes and the little mouth. And then you have to make little arms, and then you have to make little fingers. You can grab your orange, and then you can do a little dot in the middle for the nose. And then roll it around the neck, and then come back and then across. And then if you did green scarf like I did, you need red ones.
Just like that.
So you have to make 1, 2, 3 dots. And then there you go. Now it's our favorite part. It's time to eat them. Yay! Let the guests go first. Yay! Mmm. How do you like it?
Love it.
Thank you.
I'm gonna leave the head as a survivor. I don't like my
Deliciously soft. Deliciously perfect.
It's kind of
Deliciously
tender. No, let's cry.
Thank you for watching Cooking with Clara. Merry Christmas. Bye. Mm. Mm. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Yeah. Are you going to be cleaning?
Yes.
We are going to need shortening sugar. It's cold.
Shortening sugar. While we're waiting for our cookies to chill, we'll make our icing.
You make cookies and chill.
Chill.
Whatever.
Is that how you chill?
When?
Show me how you chill again. For at least 2 hours.
For at least 2 hours. Oh yeah, we're gonna wash our hands. In a large bowl. In a large bowl, we're gonna. Yeah.
On your face? How's that taste?